Hello, this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And the first thing I got to do is apologize for my last couple of videos. I was in a big hurry trying to get those videos out while the sale was going on, and I did a terrible job with the videos. I apologize. So this one's going to be a little easier because it's a simple radio. It's a Panasonic model R-1013 AM pocket radio, 6 transistors. It was sold in black, like this one, or white, or even red. Jeff got this from the Facebook Marketplace for $10. Works beautifully, he says, and we're going to try it out right now. Here it is up close. Over here, we on-off volume and the earphone jack. Uses 2 AA batteries, one of these plastic carrying straps. Tuning knob, very good condition. And we're going to turn it on and see if it works. AM only. Little tinny. Okay, let's go to the beginning of the band. Here's the beginning of the band. Probably wants to be this way. We'll see. Should be something right about there.
Because he's got a bunch of days. Listen, he's not even using all his days, so you can't give the kid crap for being out again.
Nah,
but he is out again today, and he's
doesn't
out
seem
again
to be
tomorrow.
directional.
And then next week,
Pretty tinny.
And then we get...
En el Facebook Live, no.
Then you got Jill Biden. Then you got Joe Biden. Now, who's this dude?
Same show, different frequency.
When you go back, what do you...
Yep.
Hearing if all the parties agree, or could
There
there
we go.
just be a public
Yeah,
hearing
it's
without
directional.
the deposition? Is that just kind of up to the committee? It's really up
How much?
Great candidates to hire can be like... We must take up our cross.
So there it is. It picked up quite a few stations. It did turn out that it is directional, and of course, like most radios in this room, it wants to be in this position because most of the stations are that way. Pretty neat little radio. I like to see it in red. I like red, of course. And I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. I got about a half a dozen more from the batch he just recently brought me. And I want you to have a great day. Bye-bye.